Hey there! Welcome to the video where we tackle a common problem that can arise when encoding and decoding Portuguese words in Python. The problem we're facing stems from a discrepancy between Windows and Linux environments. When attempting to encode and decode a word like exportação, the output differs between the two operating systems. On Windows, it shows up correctly as Mario exportação, while on Linux, it appears as Mario exportação. This can be quite frustrating, especially when you're working across different platforms, like our viewer here. In the solution provided, we've been given a handy tip to address this discrepancy. By adding the UTF-8 flag at the end of the command when using the OpenSSL tool in a Linux environment, we can ensure that the encoding and decoding process for Portuguese words goes smoothly. This flag specifically helps with handling unicode characters, which is essential for accurately representing special characters, like those found in the Portuguese language. It's a small addition to the command, but it makes a world of difference in getting the correct output. Solution accomplished. By incorporating the UTF-8 flag into our OpenSSL command in a Linux environment, we've successfully resolved the encoding and decoding issue that was causing different outputs for Portuguese words. It's a simple, yet effective fix that ensures our code handles special characters accurately, leading to consistent results regardless of the operating system used. In summary, we've delved into a common problem encountered when encoding and decoding Portuguese words in Python across different operating systems. By implementing the solution of adding the UTF-8 flag to the OpenSSL command in Linux, we've overcome the discrepancy and achieved uniform output. Remember, when working with multilingual text processing, paying attention to encoding nuances is key. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment with your thoughts, because feedback is our favorite kind of encoding and decoding.